Hey guys, Aaron here with For the Love of Tech, and today I am bringing you an unboxing from the Altec Lansing waterproof, snowproof, dirtproof BoomJacket Jolt rugged Bluetooth speaker, 30 hours, and also has house party pairing. This is in the event that you own more than one of the Altec Lansing devices. The app pairs them together and you can create a surround sound type of environment, which actually works really well. This model also has Just Ask built-in Siri and Google Assistant. And there's also another little fun feature, which we will bring up in just a second. So let's go ahead and dig into this. This appears that we press down and just both sides, voila, comes up nice and easy. In the box, we have our speaker itself. All right, over here is a pretty cool little port. I know this from having this product in the past. We have the power cord, the USB, and the DC in. So looks like this probably is going to charge via micro USB. Let's see what we have. We've got some stickers, some instructions on how to use this, some registration, just like I thought. Here's this. Not exactly sure what these are, but we are gonna find out, right? And of course, the charging brick, since like I thought it charges USB, but this cord is just, it's way too short for anything. So this cord, first things first, giant fail, Altec. You should have given me a properly length cord. This is maybe a foot and a half, maybe 2 feet. It's not ideal for charging, I'll tell you that right now. But this is the cool thing about it. Do you see this? We have a wireless Qi charger right here. This is what's really cool about this, a wireless Qi charger. So we've got our cool ports over here so we can charge stuff up. All right, so the micro is in case you got a plug, you got to charge it, and then the USB, you can actually charge other devices off of this. And it has a micro USB. So let's go ahead and get it paired up, and let's see how it sounds. See how easy that was. So real quick, in the box, we've got, obviously we've already reviewed that. So this is a speaker mount. That's what this is. It's a speaker mount, and guess, in case we gotta mount this somewhere. So that's pretty cool. Charging, all right, so it gives us a little bit of direction here. All right, and then the Qi charger, which is pretty cool. And this is house party mode, if you want to sync up several speakers at once. And there is how we do the control. So it's pretty cool little quick start guide, if I don't say so myself. Over here is the reminder, Lansing Altec Just Ask. This is when you're activating your assistants, so that is pretty cool. Over here, the Altec, go ahead, get some stickers on the old MacBook Pro, and this is encouraging me to register the product and do not return it to the store for breaks. So let's go ahead and see how the app is doing on the install. We are all installed. All right, let's go through this really quick. Connect our Spotify to this really quick. So let's go ahead and do that. So here's a little Bluetooth button. So this is the instructions on how to connect it via Bluetooth. So what we do is we just come over here to our settings, Bluetooth, easy peasy. Let's turn it on. Let's see if we have any juice in here.
Powering on. Welcome to Altec.
There we go. BoomJacket Jolt came right up. Let's go ahead and accept that. Here's our music. If we want to go ahead and play some music, let's play some YouTube and see how that sounds. Let's jump open to Epidemic Music. Got some pop songs here, some Christmas. Let's see. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. What I wanted to show you is the phone's just sitting on top of it, right? And it's charging. So this is the cool thing about this, is it's playing and it's charging at the same time. So this is the ultimate wireless travel productivity little Bluetooth speaker. You can plug things into it. You can connect multiple Altec speakers to this. Volume up, volume down. Hit over here to our assistant. What time is it?
It's 9:10 p.m.
Look at that, guys. It works phenomenal. It is a great device. It sounds okay. I'm gonna tell you right now, I've heard wireless Bluetooths that sound better, right? This one you get because it's rugged, because it's waterproof, because it has a Qi charger, and because it has a plug and you can plug your other stuff into it. That's why you get this one. So there's other ones that probably sound a little bit better. This one sounds pretty decent. I don't have any complaints. I definitely am very intrigued by this, that it comes with some sort of hook to hang this up somewhere. That's pretty cool. It's pretty impressive. I don't know if I'm ever going to use it. I'm probably just going to throw it away, so it's just not more stuff to clutter up my life. But, you know, I think I'm going to give this one an 8 out of 10. And I think that for what it is, it's extremely functional. It has a great look to it, a great feel to it. It has weight, but it's not too light, not too heavy. And you can hook it up. You can mount it places, you know? So that's pretty cool. You can mount this up places. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Check it out. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in buying one of these for yourself. I got mine on Black Friday, so I got a good deal on it. Hopefully you can get a good deal on it too. Speaking of good deals, if you're looking to get a super cool deal, how about free, meaning it costs you nothing, head down to the description, click on the Gleam link, and get your entries into the upcoming giveaway. That's right, we are giving away stuff for free, and I want you to be there and participate and have fun. For the love of tech, go in your drawers, go under your closets, go under your bed, go behind your bed, pull out your old electronics that you're no longer using, dust them up, shine them up, give them to someone that doesn't have them, and for the love of tech, namaste.